Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel.
In today's video, I will be showing you on how to drape a ready sari. I repeat, it is a ready-made sari for a Lakshmi Vigraha or a Lakshmi doll which looks like this. For those of you who don't know, this is not just a doll, it is actually a kalash inside which you can fill it with water and keep a coconut on top of it for the face. Now in my previous video, I had shown on how to drape such a doll using a real sari. But sometimes it so happens that many of you would have bought multiple dolls like this for Ashtalakshmi or Navadurgas. In such a case, draping each one of these dolls with a real sari may not be practical. So for this reason, I'm going to show you on how to use this ready-made sari which you can actually use to drape this type of a. So there is already a catalog in my YouTube channel for the deity dresses, and we also sell all of these kind of ready-made saris over there. But the problem is that right now I don't think we'll be able to deliver it within Varamahalakshmi festival. But just in case if you want to use this for either Diwali, for keeping Lakshmi, or for Navratri, then you can definitely go ahead and place the orders. There are various color combinations also which are available. So just in case if you also want to learn on how to use this sari and how easy it is to drape such a doll, then please don't miss to watch this video till the end.
Many of you have been requesting me to show on how to drape a sari for a doll which looks like this. And as I have told in my previous video, this doll is nothing but it's actually a kalash. So there is a kalash inside over here, and they have attached the hands and legs permanently, and they have stitched a sari on top of it. So many of you would have already purchased a doll like this, and the first year it looks very nice to use it, and year on year when you start using this, you will just get bored with a single sari which is already attached. Neither can you remove it, nor will you be able to drape a new sari to it. So in my previous video, I had shown you on how to purchase a real sari and to drape it. So many of you will be having this kind of doll, many dolls, okay? In fact, some of you might have bought nearly 7 dolls for making Ashtalakshmi, and you might be keeping one very big kalash with hands and legs, and some of you might have got 8 or 9 sets for it for Navadurgas and all. So in such a case, it's going to become very, very difficult to drape real sari for each one of these dolls. For that reason, there is already a ready sari which we sell, okay? And this is how the sari looks like. It comes with an attached pallu in this way. And this sari is made out of art silk, okay? And look at how beautiful the pleats are, right? And all you need to do is just tie these 2 threads at the waist in this way, and you're done. So let me tie this and let me show you on how I drape. The only issue which you might find with this type of sari is that the legs will not be shown, but this is the easiest way in which you can drape a sari for a doll which looks like this. And whenever you are purchasing a sari like this, make sure that you select a sari combination which is already there in my catalog, which has got a border that is going to match with the blouse, okay? So over here it's a blue blouse which is already there. So I have taken a orange sari which comes with either a blue or a dark purple kind of a border, so that I really don't have to arrange for a separate blouse for this sari, okay? So now once you have tied it at the waist like this, just take the pallu part Take the pallu from the back side like this. Take the pallu from underneath the hands, and all you need to do is put it on top over here. Sometimes it so happens that the pallu will be very broad, in which case you will have to fold the pallu. Like for example, what is happening to me now. It really depends on the size of the the doll that you have taken for the pallu to come perfectly fine for that. So this pallu is made for slightly bigger idol or a bigger doll, okay. So once you have put the pallu over here like this, take the remaining part of the pallu from the back side, okay, make it go around and bring it to the front in this way. And by doing this, you will also be covering the blouse area, which need not be shown, and it will cover the complete front area also, and it is going to look very nice. Now you can just put a waist belt over here to give it a proper shape at the waist. So once you have put a waist belt, now you can start putting the jewelry and offer the flowers, and then you can keep the face. And now you can see how easily I was able to drape this saree in under 5 minutes time. So this becomes a very good alternative just in case if you are very tired or you don't have time or you're not able to purchase a real saree, then you can actually go for these type of silk sarees which are already stitched, and they are available in all the colors and all the sizes. So I hope you all have liked the decoration that I have made, and just in case if you also want to buy this kind of a saree, then please don't forget to look at the saree catalog which is already there in my YouTube channel, for which the link I'm going to leave it in the description box.
So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.